Small Steps Budgeting. Your journey to financial freedom starts here.
Welcome to Small Step Budgeting, where small steps bring real progress. Hello, my name is Felicia. Come pack an order with me. I want to thank Susan for buying this beautiful charm. I don't know if you can see that really good. It's a beautiful charm, heart charm. So we're just going to pack it and get it on its way. Put it in this bag. I always send some type of free gift in the orders, and with this one I'm sending off this beautiful charm here, a charm for a charm order. Let's weigh this. .7. And let's get ready to print the label after purchasing it. Until next time, bye-bye.